What's up guys, it's Banu here from andro.com. This is the all-new Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro. And in this video, let's go ahead and unbox this and go ahead and explore this device and see what it has to offer. So if you're new to my channel, definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now and let's go ahead and explore the Redmi Note 6 Pro. Alright, so here we have the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro. At the front of the box it has the Mi logo right at top, and at the bottom it says Redmi Note 6 Pro. On either side it says Redmi Note 6 Pro along with global version, because there's a Chinese version as well as a global version, so this one is the global version. And at the back it gives a glance at all the specifications along with the package contents and the serial number, color and all of that. So this is the 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM version, and Xiaomi has given me a blue color device, which is always awesome. So this is a sealed box. Let's go ahead and break it open. Opening the box up, we first find the Redmi Note 6 sitting right there on top. Leaving that to the side, we have a small pouch. Opening that up reveals a TPU case and the user guide. The decision is yours whether you want to actually read it or not. Next we have the Xiaomi branded power adapter, and we also get a micro USB cable. However, noticeably missing in the box is headphones. I never really use the headphones that come in the box, but just want to let you guys know about that. Now let's keep the box and all the contents to the side and see the Redmi Note 6. So I have the blue color version and the color looks lovely. At the back there is a sticker with the IMEI number and some other information about inserting the SIM. Let's quickly remove that. Now turning the phone to the front, there is also another sticker with a glance of all the specifications of the Redmi Note 6. Let me peel that off as well and boot this bad boy up. Now let's quickly run through the setup. Let me quickly select Sri Lanka for the region and log into my Wi-Fi and move on with the setup. This is the part where I'll be adding my fingerprint. So let's see how well it works. Like you see, it seems to be doing its job pretty well. You can definitely expect more updates in my full video review. Definitely stay tuned right here on YouTube. Finally, we are done with the setup process, and here is the home screen of the Redmi Note 6 Pro. It is actually running the latest version of EMUI along with Android 8.1. Out of the box, there is a software update as well, and installing this software update will take this device to the latest MIUI 10 with some awesome features. Having a quick look at the camera, it seems to be doing well, but I really need to test it out in detail before coming to any sort of verdict. So if you want to see camera samples shot with this, follow me on Instagram for that. All the links are given down below in the description. For those of you who are curious, here's a quick rundown of all the specifications of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro. Now let's go ahead and explore the design of this device. First impressions, from the back it looks like iPhone 10 with a fingerprint scanner minus the Apple logo. In person it looks really nice though. At the front there is a notch and there are dual front facing cameras. The front facing cameras are 20 megapixels along with 2 megapixels. Xiaomi has also bundled in some awesome AI features here. The display is a 6.26-inch full screen display with an aspect ratio of 19:9. At the back there are again dual cameras, one is 12 megapixels and the other one is 5 megapixels. There is also dual pixel autofocus on this device, so you can expect great autofocusing. There's also a fingerprint scanner built right into the device like I mentioned before. Having a look around the device, at the bottom we find the two speaker grills along with the micro USB port. On the left hand side we find the SIM card tray. At the top we find the 3.5mm headphone jack, noise cancellation microphone along with the IR blaster. So if you want to use your smartphone as a remote, this can do the job. On the right hand side there is a volume rocker along with the power button. The buttons are very clicky. With Xiaomi officially launching in Sri Lanka, the Redmi Note 6 Pro is now available to purchase in two variants. The 3GB RAM 32GB ROM version is priced at 35,999 rupees, whereas the 4GB RAM 64GB ROM version which you see in this video is priced at 39,999 rupees. If you want the genuine Xiaomi warranty as well as the service, then definitely make sure to buy from an authorized shop. Based on the few hours that I used the Redmi Note 6 Pro, there's actually a lot to like about this. But I will let you know how well this device does in my full video review after putting it through the Andro Dollar review treatment. If you have any questions about the Redmi Note 6 Pro, drop a comment down below and I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks a lot to Xiaomi Sri Lanka for providing me with this review unit, and if this video hits 100 likes, I will give this phone away. Well guys, that's it for the unboxing of the Redmi Note 6 Pro. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, definitely go ahead and smash that like button and hit on that subscribe button as well for more awesome tech videos just like this one on YouTube. You can go ahead and check out my other videos at youtube.com/AndroDollar, and definitely go ahead and hit on that notification bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you will be notified each and every time I upload a new video here on YouTube. Follow me on social media, all of my latest updates are over there. I am at Andro Dollar and all the links are given down below in the description. Stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world, and until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.